So first we have to talk about a basic concept called the API. And what does API stand for? It stands for Adorable Penguin Island. So here's your adorable penguin island with your adorable penguin on it. And your penguin isn't the only penguin out there. You've got several other penguins and they all want to talk to each other. So they communicate with a little system. So let's say that your penguin is hungry. See, his little tummy is grumbling right there. And another penguin over here has some chicken. So your penguin wants the chicken. So how he communicates is he shoots an arrow over to his friend, and the arrow contains some information. The arrow contains a request, I can have chicken please, or can I have the chicken? And if this other guy, this other penguin, feels generous, he'll send you back some chicken. See, he'll load up his arrow and he'll send you back some chicken. Boom. And now your penguin can eat chicken and feel great. And so your penguin, he has his friend over here on the other side, and he says, you know what, my friend might be hungry. I think I'm going to be really nice. I'm going to send him some chicken too. See, his tummy's grumbling too. So your penguin loads up some chicken, launches it over, and then your friend gets to eat the chicken too. Huzzah! Okay, so I have a confession to make. API does not actually stand for Adorable Penguin Island. API actually stands for Application Programming Interface. So instead of penguins, we're talking about computers. We're talking about your computer over here and other computers that are connected to the internet. So let's say this computer over here has a picture of a really cute cat and you want it. So you say, cute cat, gimme. So you send a request. Remember, penguins fired arrows and computers fire off something called a request. It's just a little data package that they send over the internet. So this one says, instead of, give me some chicken, it says hand over the cat pic and nobody gets hurt. So then this guy says, okay, I don't want to get hurt, so I'm going to send him back the cat picture. And that is the response. So there's the request that goes to the computer, the other guy's computer, and there's a response that comes back to you. Yay. And you say, this cat is super cute. I want to send it to my friend. So just like you sent the chicken over to your friend as a penguin, you're now sending a cat picture over to your friend over here, and he says, oh, it's so cute. And you say, I know, right? So just to clarify, both of these actions are requests, but they're different because this one is a GET request. You are sending this request and you're saying, give me something back. You're saying, give me that cat pic. And then he sends it back. This is a POST request. What you're saying is, can I send you something? So POST, like in Britain, they say, I'll put it in the post. I'll mail something to you. So this is kind of like that. It's like you're mailing something to somebody else, whereas a request, a GET, is just getting something. It's basically just asking for something. Okay, so what does this have to do with deploying an AI program? So I'm assuming that you are familiar with how to run AI programs on your own computer or on maybe a Colab notebook or somewhere in the cloud. So you have your AI program, but now you want other people to be able to use it and you want them to be able to use it easily. So how do we do that? So your AI program takes in a picture of a cat and it determines if the cat is cute or not. It classified the cat and it says, yep, it's really cute. And this one, it classified it as, I'm literally dying right now, so that's super cute. So you can do this all day on your own computer, but as we said, you want to open it up to the internet. You want other people to send their cats to your computer and maybe pay you like $5 each to tell them if their cat is cute or not. So we set up the same system that we had with the penguins and with the cat picture computers, except a little change. We set up a little basket for the arrows that people will be firing. Just like penguins launched arrows at each other, and it is going to accept requests from other computers. This basket is called Fast API, by the way. It's a little program. You might have heard of it. So your computer processes cat photos and returns back if the cat is cute or not. So this guy down here, over in the lower right-hand corner, he is shooting over his cat. He is shooting it over via a POST request because remember, POST is like mailing something in the post. And it lands in your basket, and then your computer processes it and sends back the message that says, OMG, this is the cutest cat ever. So when the cat picture lands in your basket, again, that's Fast API, it's a program, it runs through your computer the same way that any one of your images would run through your computer, and then the answer gets sent back to the original computer in the same way that you would receive answers from your AI. Okay, so just sort of an abstract overview of how this whole process works. These are the steps to deploy an ML app. Number 1, get it running on a computer. Number 2, use FastAPI or Django to expose it to the internet. And number 3, have people send stuff to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.